What makes a great machine? Every machine starts with an idea. For machine builders, only the very best components will do to create systems that succeed. ABB's products and solutions for rotating equipment can help give equipment makers the edge they need. PLCs that deliver exceptional sequencing and control. Drives that provide uncompromised efficiency and reliability. Highly efficient motors and drives that can deliver performance and power where and when you need it. And digital remote monitoring technologies that provide unprecedented visibility to keep your machines running without risking unexpected downtime. ABB's advanced portfolio of PLCs, drives, motors, and service and support can help to ensure the highest levels of reliability, quality, and versatility. Which is why when it comes to designing, building, and commissioning your machines, partnering with us in ABB means investing in the highest levels of support and quality. It means investing in cooperation and in people who understand your designs and how to bring them to life, providing you with the tools you need to make your machines the best they can be, while offering world-class support from planning through to assembly commissioning and beyond in a fiercely competitive environment. Our solutions are helping machine builders create machines that can simply do more, better, and faster.